Hi guys, I will be teaching you how to make a pass in Please Donate so someone will donate you. First, go to Roblox and search roblox.com and log in your account. Now, click this create. This create. Now when you press the create, you just click the dashboard. When you click the dashboard, you will see your username place. Click this, place my username in place. Okay. When you go the website, now you will press the dashboard again, the 3 line, and now go to and click the passes. When you're done clicking the passes, and so I will give you example how to make a pass. Create a pass. Press the create a pass, and you have and put what you want in your random words. When you're done putting create pass, wait until it loads. When you see your pass it say off sale, click that. When you click it, go the 3 lines buttons again. Click that. When you click the dashboard 3 lines, click the cell. When you click the cell, you will be here. And now press the item for sale and put whatever price you want. It's 5 or 100, whatever. Now I will put 5 and save change. Now when you're done, do this again and change the price. Now you're done making a pass and Please Donate. Bye.